Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a tiny fruit that can make a huge difference in your wellness journey? Today, I'm diving into why kiwi is your new health superfruit. This little green gem is more than just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and benefits. It might look small and fuzzy, but trust me, this little fruit packs a punch. From boosting your immune system to aiding in muscle recovery, kiwi has got you covered. First off, let's talk recovery. After a grueling workout, your body needs to repair and rejuvenate. If you're pushing your body to the limit, kiwi is your best friend. It's not just about the taste, it's about the recovery benefits that come with it. It's loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols. These nutrients are essential for fighting off the oxidative stress that comes with intense physical activity. These antioxidants help combat oxidative damage and inflammation, speeding up muscle recovery. Imagine bouncing back faster and stronger after every workout. So next time you're sore after a hardcore workout, think kiwi. Now, on to performance. Hydration is key, right? Staying hydrated is crucial for peak performance. Kiwi is rich in electrolytes, especially potassium. This mineral is vital for maintaining fluid balance and proper nerve function during exercise. This helps maintain fluid balance and nerve function during exercise. Proper hydration can make the difference between a good workout and a great one. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition even says potassium helps prevent muscle cramps. No one likes those mid-workout cramps, right? So munching on a kiwi before or after your workout could keep you in top shape. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about gut health. Gut health is crucial for overall wellness. A healthy gut can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. Kiwi is packed with dietary fiber, acting as a prebiotic to fuel the good bacteria in your gut. This means better digestion and a happier you. A healthy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and even a better mood. It's amazing how one small fruit can have such a big impact. Research in the journal Nutrients backs this up. The science is clear. Kiwi is a nutritional powerhouse, and let's not forget vitamin C. This essential vitamin is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. One kiwi gives you over 100% of your daily intake. That's right, just one kiwi can meet your daily vitamin C needs. This vitamin strengthens your immune system and helps build collagen, vital for your skin, joints and muscles. Healthy skin and strong joints are just a kiwi away. When you feel good physically, it often means you're in a better place mentally too. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Kiwi isn't just a fruit. It's a step toward enhanced performance, better recovery, and a healthier you. It's a small addition to your diet with massive benefits. So next time you're prepping a smoothie, grabbing a snack, or planning breakfast, throw in a kiwi. Your body will thank you for it. It's a small change with big benefits. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, every little step counts towards a healthier lifestyle. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep pushing those boundaries. Catch you next time. Keep exploring the wonders of nature's superfoods. Follow for more.